What would help you? What song that would help, like "Afraid of Love" or some heavy bottom on it?
What about Stranger?
Seems like Stranger, Holy War, and Afraid of Love.
What'd you say, Steve?
I want to do something where it's more about me. Holy War?
Or Afraid of Love also maybe?
Let's do Holy War first. We're doing our sound check and all that stuff, and then you guys can think of some questions to ask us, okay? Where's our interpreter? Who's our interpreter today? Raise his hand. The person who can't speak English is our interpreter. That's you, right?
So, are we doing Holy War? Is that the song?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Ken? Are you back there? There's Ken Freeman, everybody. Let's hear it for Ken Freeman. Can you give us a pretty good read up there? Can you just kind of crank it up like it's going to be at the end of the show there?
Today to try to minimize the subsonics. So it's going to be a little more mid-range focus, so we don't get so much flashing back on the stage. This is kind of classical type of ball.
Okay.
So I'm not going to be pushing the subs a lot. So it's a different kind of feel.
Okay. let's try it out, Ken.
You know, guys, it's always, you know, real different.
Yeah,
Sound check from the gig.
I know,
Well,
but
that's
we,
the problem with having the sound check to the gig is a complete.
but at least we can try and get it as close as possible here.
It changes with all the people.
Yeah,
People
I know.
obviously change that too.
Yeah.
You would think they would suck that up is the problem.
Yeah.
That's not the problem. with this.
Guys, let's try and get it as close as we can here and without the
I
big
want it to
rumble.
sound good too. You know, I mean, there has to be some happy medium wherever.
Let's see.
It's not
Let's see if
killing
we,
you and it sounds good out front too.
Ken tweaked it a little bit. Let him crank it up and see where we are.
Yeah. Holy war. I have a little bit more of that in my poem, the intro bit. I'm missing that, and that kind of fucks me up. Not yet. Not over here.
Not yet, Steve.
Okay.
Ken, how's that for you?
No, this is off.
You still in the ballpark out there for good groovy sound?
I'm sorry, Dave, say that again?
Are you loving it? Are you digging it still up there? Does it still sound great?
I'm still massaging it in there a little bit.
Yeah.
You know, it's, you know, it's comfortable, so it's some areas are very light on low
Hey,
end.
so for a second, so I can tell what's what, Lee, can we shut off his bass completely on stage here for a second?
Yes.
He's playing, I can tell.
I've only got the wedge going right now. I mean, I just shut the amp off.
All right, should we take the same thing again from the same spot?
Let me see how much of this actually, what's happening.
You want to do it from the beginning? Any particular part, just right from the chorus?
How
or
about the
something?
solo
Do
section?
the solo section.
No, I want it when he's really playing a lot. That's right. I need it when he's.
That's like in the chorus after the solo.
Count
Chorus after the solo.
No difference from when he has his amp on to when his amp is off.
You know what?
So it ain't his
It just means that it's not him. It's coming from. You know what it is, Steve? See the subs on the stage are an empty wooden stage with nothing underneath it. It's like basically another subwoofer underneath the stage. Big cabinets right there, that's on the stage. And there's no way to get around them. We already tried to fly the PA and it was like, you can't do that in here for some reason.
Would it help if we moved this way a little?
What would happen if he reversed the phase on the send to you, and it would throw that low end from the room out of phase with your thing, and maybe
Did you get that, Chris?
just throw the phase on his whole send and see if it
Go. I was saying that last
Work. That might work.
Let's try it, guys.
Good idea, Shannon.
Yeah, let's try it.
Same place, all right? Holy War. 1, 2.
Yeah. Hey, Chris, all of a sudden, these live vocals got twice as loud as they have been. I don't know why.
really used to the PA being flown.
We're singing out.
It's not now. You know what I mean?
We're singing out a little bit.
Okay, well, you're just loud. It's loud in my phones, then you can just take them down. Hey, Ken?
We're feeling a ton coming right off of here.
These guys are
Ken? So you don't want to bring the attenuate the woofers down out there any more than you have, right? I know. I'm just asking him.
Why don't one of you step out here and hear what's going on with the subwoofers?
Okay.
You'll see.
Come on, Luke, you got wireless?
Because what I've done now is I've brought the next together.
And you know,
We don't have to have as much hi-fi.
and I keep hearing about how great it sounds out front. So
Yeah.
This is all about making the show perfect for you. He's got his.
Walk around a little bit because right in the center is the place where you don't have sound anywhere else. Go ahead and play a little bit.
Same place, guys?
that's the best it's been for me. I don't know if you've been what you're tweaking, but
It's full back. Well, I've kind of redone everything into another mode right now, but I'll pick it up a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah. Maybe you can split the difference, Ken. Yeah.
Attenuate it for a second, see where it's at.
Yeah. Let's go a step at a time here, guys.
See how much that changes for you.
Come on, that's what we're doing. One step at a time.
See if it radically changes for you. Same stuff. Hey guys, give me the power chords because trying to play in time with this wireless side is a little dodgy. So same place, okay?
Okay.
He's adjusting right now, though. You should just give him a second.
Let's keep vamping over the chorus.
That's like 3 more dB sub. I was down minus like 8 or 9.
Okay, yeah, split the difference here.
And there's 3 more dB.
Here we go.
handle that.